All right, guys, we had a special part that we made at the job site, and I want to show you guys us making it, and then I'm going to show you the job site where it came together and really made this roof just a really masterpiece for the guys so that they don't have any issues with the roof. So I'm going to go ahead and make the piece. I drew it out on the computer, and now the machine's going to make it for me. This is why it's really cool to have a machine. It's unique so that we can make it per job what we have to do. We don't, we don't run into scenarios where we can't make something that's going to be really, really nice to help make this roof effective and make it last longer. So this is going to be a ridge cap and a valley all in one. Typically, these parts are made in two separate pieces, but we're going to make it in one because that's what we need to do on this roof to stop it from leaking in the long-term effects of it. So while we're doing it, the computer's measuring everything for us so we can get it really, really accurate. Okay guys, so it's kind of a strange looking piece, but once it's on the roof with the metal panels coming in, you can kind of understand it. But we took a valley, another valley, and then we made a ridge cap included in all in one piece. Typically this is two pieces. We put a hem on this side which wraps, makes it really strong. This is where your screws are going to go, and then the metal panels are going to step into this valley. This is going to block the water. The reason I wanted to show it to you is because I always talk about the equipment that we have and how it makes a difference, and this is what we came up with. My favorite part is I didn't come up with this, my guys came up with it. They wanted to find a better solution to make sure that this roof lasts a long time. This is not something that typical roofers can do because they don't have the machines to do it, and we're able to do it to help this homeowner solve their problems. All right guys, so you saw us make this piece in the CNC, and it's a unique piece, but now I'm on the house and I want to show you guys what that looks like. You can see all this metal here, Galvalume, multi-ridge system. Looks super, super clean. But here's the piece that we made in the CNC machine, and I want to show you why it's important. So you have a really steep roof here. So you got a lot of water coming down this roof. It's going to hit this rib, catch most of it and run down. But if it jumps this rib, there's typically a line here where the pieces are separate. So you would have your ridge cap, it'd come over and end here. Well, if the water jumps that and hits it, it can cause a leak in your screws and penetrations. So what they did is they made this all one piece. The key is that you had employees that stopped on the job and said, hey, we want to do something specific for this because we want this roof to last. And I mean, that's really what we're looking for. If you have great people, great equipment, then you're going to give the homeowner a great roof system. And in the industry, it's so hard to find people that care about what they're doing. It was really important to them like it is to us. We all share the same values. And in the end, we turned out with a beautiful metal roof system that's going to last for a long, long time. And the homeowner's not going to have any issues here. But our guys came through and put a really, really cool system on here, and it is awesome.